Hey guys, this is Connor at Jason Dietsch Trailer Sales. Today we have a 42-foot gooseneck sprint car trailer from United. This is an all aluminum frame trailer, 777K axles, 14-ply tires. Starting at the front here, you got hydraulic jacks. This trailer has a false front wall, so you can get about 10 feet for a sprint car on the top car platform that we'll show you here in a little bit. This is just a front storage box. You can access it from the front wall as well. Slide out step, side door. This has our extreme exterior light package. It's got your upgraded clearance lights, midship turn signal, and docking lights. 4-foot extended ramp flap. You have your rear doors, aluminum rear doors. This trailer has a ton of cabinets, airline reel, electrical reel on this side, escape hatch with a observation deck on the roof. Plenty of D-rings, tie downs. We have all kinds of cabinets in here, like I said. This one here holds the axle racks. Obviously, being a sprint car trailer, you got your wing holders up top and the track and trolley system. 2 ACs in this trailer. Engine compartment here at the workbench. This trailer is outfitted with air compressor prep kit and a generator prep kit. And then you have your tire racks on this side. And then your 2 hoists are up front, the front of the gooseneck. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Check out our website or give us a call. We'd love to sell you your next trailer.